Yeah, so fake trends, fake trends, fake trends. So guys, just take a look at my latest position. See, you look like it's basically simple, straight to the point, a straight downtrend, but there is something behind this. I'm going to share with you something that nobody else ever shared with you. Even if you are the best trader in the world, you must hear this. Because even if using the best strategy in the world, the most precise strategy in the world will not save you. Let's go up first with $300 because I get this signal today after looking like for 5 hours looking for the signal. This was not the best one, but I finally found this signal and I'm trying to make profit from the next 12 candles or so. So yeah. So as I was saying, guys, before I go to that, as you can see, I'm using my own strategy, my own trading strategy. This trading strategy is based on technical analysis, especially with technical indicators. I have four technical indicators in front of me here. Bollinger Bands, MACD, RSI, and Parabolic SAR. These four indicators, I'm using them together in my own way. Also, I use tens of different chart patterns and price action patterns. Everything is explained in the course. So if you are a student, please go back to chapter 5, episode 3. There's some updates to the strategy, especially the way we use MACD. So please go there. Let me just say, yeah, the first win. Yeah. So as I was saying, if you are interested in learning the strategy, you can take our course from the link in the description of this video, or you can go directly to binarystrategycourse.com, binarystrategycourse.com. So yeah, this was also a clear 10. Let's go down this time with $300. Let's go down. So if you are starting out as a new trader, let's say that you like binary options and you want to start making profit with this trading, with this style of trading. So growing a small capital account through like day trading, particularly in binary options, requires a, a well thought out approach. Also, you must have a lot of discipline, and the most important thing is a careful risk management plan. Because due to what's happening to the market lately, there's a lot of manipulations. There's a lot of yeah. Let me just check this one. See, this looks like it's clear, but no, there's something behind it. All the time, there's something behind it. So I'm going up. Next, I should go up. I will not follow the trend. I will follow my strategy, and that's what you need to do. You need to have a like a proven strategy with high win rates, and you need to stick to it. All right, you need to stick to it. So if you're starting small, you must understand that binary options are high risk instruments where the outcome is a simple yes or no. So even you win or you lose. So it's essential to approach this trading style cautiously to avoid large losses. This is the third, yeah, the third win today. The third win. It just, I was saying this signal, I found this signal after looking for like 5 hours, looking at the Euro USD OTC market. And yeah, now I will go down. Now I will go against the trend. See what I'm doing here? I'm going against the trend. What's the market is showing is against what my strategy is telling me. So this is misleading. So the trend is misleading you. And don't follow the trend, don't follow the strategy, don't follow what they tell you to do. Just follow the proven strategies that you've been using and you trust all the time. Just stick to it and keep using it. So a risk, so when you're starting small, risk only a small percentage of your account. So when you have a small account like $500 or less, risking too much per trade can quickly lead to like large losses. Losing $20 or $50 of your $500 account is 10%, and it's risky. So a general rule is to risk no more than no more than like 1 or 2%, maximum 2%. So if you're trading, for example, with $500, just risk like $5 or $10 maximum. So also focus on position sizing. So determine the size of your trades, not based only on your account and on how much you have, but on your risk tolerance also. So keep the trade size small so you can survive a series of losses or losing trades and still have capital left to continue trading. So, for example, if you have $500 and you are trading only with $5, yeah, small wins, but if it would take you like 100 wrong decisions. It's crazy, 100 wrong decisions to lose everything. Yeah, great. See, even if I was going against the market, but I made like 4 wins already. But I guess this time we go down. Yeah, this time the market is telling me to go down. The strategy is telling me to go down. Comfortable here. I'm going down with $300. No worries. But if I'm suspecting something suspicious, I cross check it on TradingView or another trading platform. This way, I will understand what's happening exactly, and I will understand if the market is being manipulated or cheated. So, as I was saying, as a small trader, your goal is to preserve your capital. Like small wins add up with time, and like avoiding large losses is crucial to stay in the trading game. So you must avoid losing any any penny. Don't lose anything. If you feel like you are going to lose here and you are not sure about the next trade, just quit. Don't take it. That's okay. Quitting the positions or the signal. Also use a good trading strategy, a precise trading strategy with a high win rate that you already tested. So using technical analysis like binary option trading often focuses on short-term price movement. As you can see here, every candle, I'm trading every candle every minute. So it's like short-term price movement. So a solid technical analysis strategy is essential. Use indicators like moving averages, RSIs, Bollinger Bands, parabolic SARs, yeah, different stochastic oscillators, just to find high probability setups. While using all these technical indicators, keep trying different strategies, trying to develop your own trading strategy. Even though I don't advise you to do that because as a small and I as a beginner trader, it's hard to develop your own strategy. At the beginning, you must adapt or choose a trading strategy that is already there. You can use mine, but at the same time, you can use some free trading strategies or teach on YouTube or like different on the internet. So yeah, this downtrend was. I guess we should go down again. We should go down again. Uh, Bollinger Band is acting as a resistance line. As I was saying, guys, also while using technical analysis, I advise you to use fundamental analysis, not go deep in fundamental analysis. Just understand the basics of fundamental analysis. It will help you understand the overall direction of the market while also using price action analysis. While, for example, being familiar with support lines, resistance lines, different chart pattern shapes and patterns will help you identify entry and exit points. So, understanding all this will turn you from not knowing anything to becoming familiar with the market and with trading markets. So, please understand that and try to go deeper before starting with real money, because as you already know, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just making this video for entertainment purposes only. I'm not giving you any financial advices. Also, this I'm making this video for entertainment purposes, and I'm not telling you that you will make the same amount of money as I'm doing here, because this is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. It's risky. Trading binary options is risky. You could lose your money. So that's why you need to be careful. You need to educate yourself, choose a reliable and very precise trading strategy, and yeah, keep trading on or and practice on a demo account. And once you feel comfortable enough, you can start trading with real money. But before that, please be careful. You don't use real money. Hope that you enjoyed, and yeah, see you later. I don't think that I'm getting another signal like in the next 2 days. See you later.